It happened again. Same place, same risk, same warning signs, and this time it exploded.
Remarkably, this very day last year, the exact same thing happened.
On April the 9th, 2025, the Phoenix Battery recycling plant in Kilwinning, Scotland, erupted in fire for the second time in just 1 year. The first fire, that was April 2024. After that, the site was shut down, its license suspended, and the operators were told, remove the batteries. Fix the storage, follow the law. They didn't. And what was left? 50 to 60 barrels of lithium batteries abandoned, unstable and ready to ignite. And that's exactly what happened. The explosions launched battery cells like missiles. Thick black smoke filled the air. Locals were told to stay inside, schools locked down, people panicked, but this time it wasn't unexpected. It was unfinished business. Today, we're not here to point fingers, we're here to ask, when a chemical hazard causes a fire once, how do you explain letting it happen again? This wasn't a freak accident. It was a failure to follow chemical safety law. And under COSHH, the Control of Substances Hazardous to Health, this was a textbook case of non-compliance, because lithium batteries are a chemical risk, not just tech, not just cargo, a regulated substance. And this site failed to remove stored chemicals as ordered, maintain containment, follow fire safety enforcement, and take proper action after the first explosion. This isn't just bad practice, this is how disasters repeat. Lithium-ion batteries, especially in bulk, can rupture, overheat and combust. They're reactive, they're volatile, they're not forgiving, and if your workplace handles them, you're responsible. That means keeping up-to-date safety data sheets, training staff to identify danger signs, creating COSHH risk assessments for storage and movement, installing fire suppression, and never assuming we've had our incident, it won't happen again, because hope is not a chemical safety strategy. So here's what every warehouse, logistics team and recycling operation needs to do today. Get trained for free. The Knights of Safety Academy offers certified battery and chemical handling courses. Download safety datasheet data instantly and access one-page risk assessment summaries through the International Association for Chemical Safety. Because what happened in Kilwinning wasn't just an explosion, it was a warning twice. Drop a comment if your site stores or handles lithium batteries. Like this video if you believe one fire should have been enough. Tag your health and safety officer, facilities lead or operations manager, and subscribe for more stories that don't just highlight the risk, we give you the tools to stop it. Stay safe, stay trained, stay protected.